Shaneil Muir puts another online user in their place, and Spice and Justin has a game going on that they call the Bae Games.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people may have some quick updates for now. We don't want to waste no time, so we are going to get right into it. So, I know Shaneil Muir do her thing. I know so style Shaneil Muir. I know so she got this, screenshot it and post back on her page for a whole bunch of other people see, right? But it come like some people not learn or they never hear before. Say I saw Shaneil Muir stay. So this is what happened, right? So somebody comment and them say under Shaneil Muir post, I say, bet you can't do road without makeup. And Shaneil Muir respond to it and say, bet your cocky drop out pan missionary with a laughing emoji. And you know, she screenshot it and post it back. And this is what she said in the caption. She said, oh, no love provoke my piece, so makeup is an option, not mandatory for me. Sir, go on and go sleep now. And if you want to stick around me, I go telling you what Vybz Kartel say under that post is in. But people, I'm going to show you what I go on with Spice and Justin.
So me post it up under them, me say inna, oh, can't right, put it on the edge, under them, me say inna, oh, can't right, put it on the edge.
Yeah, people, so dancehall power couple, Spice and Justin, aka Rasta, them have a game going on. Now, I'm not going to say them invent that game because, you know, it's a regular word them would call it now. Food tennis, me call it. I don't know if I saw it name officially or you don't know, if you don't know what name, put it in the comment section. But I'm going to show you what them do. But I like the name what them give it because them call it the Bae Games. You see me? So, take a look at this. Here goes.
Hey, what we doing?
We playing throw the popcorn and catch.
10.
I'm only throwing 10.
10.
10.
Right, come on.
Ready?
Come on.
1. Oh! 2. Oh, buddy, you're catching them. 3. Ah, miss!
Wait,
you missed that one. 4. Oh. 5. Ah! 6.
Her turn.
You can't cheat me. You got to throw it at me the way I throw it nice at you.
1.
No. No, see, you're cheating.
Very good.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I can't do it. I can't do it. Come. Well, you not throw it good. Come again.
That was a bad throw. That was a bad throw.
I can do it again. I can't do it. Let me try again. I don't want to do one.
Hey, come on. I'm still smaller one. Are you ready? Oh!
I almost did it.
You gotta go back some more.
Okay. I'm done.
I don't know who say I want to cheer for, but a Team Spice me say all the way, even though a 1 point she have. But there's a second round people where me I go show you if you want to stick around. So two things that me have to show you. Me I go show you what Vybz Kartel say under the Shaneil Muir post, and me I go show you the second round of the Bae Games, alright?
Hey, my girl, man, a giant ramping thing, you know. Don't feel like a joke thing, man, you know. Gosh, y'all take off your drawers, no. Turn back way, let me deal with.
This is the official music video for Cherry Rose and Intrestt under there.
Now you say you want fuck up inna your belly, yeah, me cocky gone up. So me ready to hard, then me say me nah clutch. Fuck you, make your ball, make you say you want cut. That is just a warm up when we start touch.
Make sure say you manage it rough. Me skin it up, fear damage it up. By your cocky me love, jump on it like box a box.
This song is produced by Caliber Music, and then I first may review them artists. I'm a review Cherry Rose and Daddy One song. I'm a review song for Intrestt as well, and I am have the pies name Viral It, among enough other song and music videos. So get familiar.
So me post it up under them, me say inna, oh, can't right, put it on the edge, under them, me say inna, oh, can't right, put it on the edge, under them, me say inna, oh. football match.
One score in your goal like football match. Big up the editor for put that right. That's the way him said that. You see what me I say? Because that only enhance the thing. I love it that one of the concept of the video arrived from that line alone. Big up the ladies them who play football. I know say there's some real football ladies out there. You see what me I say? I love the clean video. It's a go on.
Time right, put it on the edge. Under the me say inna, oh. Time right, put it on the edge. Under the me say inna, oh. Time right, put it on the edge.
Come, make me ride it. Up on your cocky, change gear like me driving. My up the body rising, but that is not surprising. My pretty brown pussy make your seize out when you come in. Boy, stop the running, when you don't yet more cocky after run. To all the pussy tight, your ball in that the cocky numb. Make me quint up the pussy, baby, it will make you come. Pussy bruise up, cocky till it
So me force it up under the me say inna.
Now people may have to talk about Cherry Rose because she well talented. I know a lot of ladies can carry a song like this. You see what I say? You know, Intrestt, him a do the hook and him have like 2 verse already. And him started and she already give like 2 verse and she have another verse a forward. So I have to big her up.
If you not put my good boy, you better just forget that. Talk about my belly, make my pass on my neck, but then grip up on my neck and make my breath stop.
Girl, make you try it at a fresh spot. You boom up my cocky, girl, me tell you so you head at well. Body in a bed, you give me anywhere, me prefer you, but wife it tight, no man can. So me force it up under the me say inna, oh. Time right, put it on the edge, under the me say inna, oh. Time right, put it on the edge, under the me say inna, oh. Time right, put it on the edge, under the me say inna, oh. Time right, put it on the edge.
Yeah, people, so under the official music video, Intrestt and Cherry Rose, I'm going to put the link to the full song so you can check it out without me talking over it, right? So I'm going to just big up the 2 artists, them big up Caliber Music as well, and big up the editor, them. I'm telling them do a good job. The video is in 4K, quality good and everything. I love the chemistry. But people, let's get right back into the beer game. So this is the second round of Spice and Rasta. And like me say, I don't know what to say, but a Team Spice, I say all the way. So let's check this out. Here goes.
Ready. How you do that?
All right, baby, your turn. Come on.
No, you know I'm not a cookie.
I know, but come
But
on.
always I miss.
Come on. Yep.
Go.
Put your visor up.
No, I'm gonna catch it. Go. Go.
Sure?
Yeah.
All right.
Go. Go.
Oh! Boop, boop, boop. Hey. Ready.
Yeah, man, so big up Spice and Justin with the Beer Olympics, right? But people has promised me I got telling away Vybz Kartel said to Shaneil Muir are under the post, right? And when she replies. So him say, I thought I was the filterless one. I want to know say Vybz Kartel blast some people when time they violate. So you know him I talk about, right? And Shaneil Muir respond and say, call it Gaza. And under that him comment again and say, bongo push the grass cat. You see me? So people, that's all for today. If it's your first time on this channel, like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. And big up on yourself a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. And people more want to tell me what they think about the song. More want to tell me what they think about Spice and Justin. And last but certainly not least, more want to tell me what they think about the Shaneil Muir thing. Overall, you see me I say, want to think about what she say, want to think about what Vybz Kartel say. Right? So stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.